Hello everybody! We are going to be looking at how to perform a binary shift. This is a typical question that you might get in your exam. Perform a two-place binary shift to the left. And as you can see, what we've got there, we've got an 8-bit number there. Now, hopefully you know your left from your right. That will obviously make a difference. We have been asked to shift to the left by 2 places. Okay, we know our left from our right, and we can count to 2. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to draw an arrow from each of them, just so that you can really make sure you've got this correct. So I'm going to draw that one. Is going to go 2 places to the left, like that. Okay, so that one is going to be a 1 at this position, because we've gone from this position here. We've gone 2 to the left, which has brought us here. So that 1 has moved over here. All right. And this one is also going to move 2. Everything is going to move 2 to the left. So if we just draw this out, so we've got 1, 1, 0, 0. And then we've got 1, 0. Now, unfortunately, these 2 have fell off the end. Okay, they have gone too far. We want to keep this as an 8-bit binary number. So those 2 have gone, disappeared. But that only leaves us with 6 bits filled in, and we've not done anything with the side on the right. So what we're going to do is just fill it with zeros. And that's it. It is as simple as that. So you move exactly the number that it says, 2 places, we went in the left direction, and we filled it with zeros. Now let's look at the exact same question, but this time instead of shifting to the left, we are going to shift to the right. This time I'm going to start at the other side, and these ones are going to go 2 places to the right, like this. Okay, all of them are going to just go 2 places to the right. So I will do this one. Is moving over here, so I'm going to put my 1 just there. Let's carry on writing it out. So we've got another 1, 0, 1, 0, and 0. Okay, so everything has been moved to the right. However, this one and this one fell off the end. They don't exist anymore. They've gone. So at that point, we've got a gap over on the left-hand side because this time we shifted to the right. So we are going to fill it with zeros. Now, it is only going to be a 1-mark question on your exam this if you get a binary shift. However, they can ask you to describe the effect that it has, and that's what we're going to have a look at now. So for the first example that we looked at, we shifted everything to the left. Now, it has a different effect on the actual binary number by shifting to the left, and that effect is it multiplies the number. So if you were to shift it 1 place to the left, that actually multiplies the number by 2. And if you were going to shift it 2 places to the left, that is going to multiply it by 4. And finally, if you were going to shift it 3 places to the left, that will multiply the number by 8. Now, you won't be asked for any more than that in your exam. They may ask you that what effect does it have making a binary shift to the left by 3 places, and that's a 2-mark answer if you've been asked to describe that. But it's very, very unlikely it's going to go in higher than that. But it does carry on with that pattern. So if it did shift 4 places to the left, it would multiply it by 16. You can also divide in binary by using the binary shift. And it just quite simply is going the opposite way. So it's multiply if it's going to the left, and it's division if it's going to the right. So if you wanted to divide by 2, you would do a 1-place shift to the right. If you wanted to divide by 4, it's 2 places to the right. And finally, if you want to divide by 8, it is 3 places to the right. So we've got some exam questions to practice on the binary shift. As always, it's probably best if you pause the video and give it a go, and then if you need to go watch back just to double check your answer, then that's fine, but try and answer them all without looking at your notes in your book, and then obviously check afterwards to see if you got them correct. That's it for this time, and I'll see you soon.